Want to turn a corner of your home into a money-making factory? Today, we're looking at 15 compact, high-profit machines you can run right from home, and number 7 has a non-stop market. 1. Edible biscuit teacup machine. Single-use plastic and paper cups are quickly being phased out, opening up a massive market for eco-friendly alternatives. An edible biscuit teacup machine lets you bake sturdy, delicious, crunchy cups that hold hot drinks without leaking. Cafes, eco-conscious restaurants, and event planners love serving tea or coffee in them because customers get to drink their beverage and eat the cup afterward. With low ingredient costs, you can easily produce these popular, zero-waste cups in bulk right from your kitchen or workshop. 2. Offset printing machine. Custom print media remains a steady, high-margin industry for local businesses. A compact offset printing machine gives you sharp color accuracy and fast output to produce professional business cards, flyers, and promotional brochures at home. Instead of paying third-party printers, you take complete control of production. Local shops, real estate agents, and startups constantly need quick print runs, allowing you to build a reliable commercial printing service with strong profit margins on every single batch you deliver. 3. Cattle feed pellet mill. High-quality livestock feed is always in demand, making a cattle feed machine a smart entry into agricultural manufacturing. This compact machine processes grains, oilseeds, and essential vitamins, extruding them into nutritious, easy-to-digest feed pellets. By sourcing raw ingredients locally, you can create custom feed blends that promote healthier livestock at a lower cost than mass-produced brands. You can supply your own herd or package and sell high-protein feed directly to neighboring farmers and local agricultural suppliers. If you're enjoying this, tap subscribe right now to stay ahead. 4. Commercial ice cream cone machine. Ice cream is popular year-round, but fresh, crispy waffle cones are what turn a basic scoop into a premium dessert. Operating an automated ice cream cone machine lets you pour, bake, and shape golden waffle cones in multiple sizes and custom designs. You can sell freshly baked cones directly to local ice cream parlors, catering businesses, and party hosts. Because raw batter consists of simple, inexpensive ingredients like flour, sugar, and butter, the profit margins per cone are exceptionally high. 5. Paper egg tray mold machine. Poultry farms and grocery markets require thousands of protective packaging trays every day. A paper egg tray making machine recycles cheap waste paper and cardboard into sturdy, biodegradable egg cartons using a simple wet pulp molding process. It is an eco-friendly manufacturing business that turns discarded scrap into essential agricultural packaging. With plastic packaging regulations tightening globally, local farmers and egg distributors will gladly buy your sustainable, shock-absorbent paper trays for their daily distribution needs. 6. Tissue paper manufacturing machine. Tissue paper is an essential household commodity with non-stop daily consumption across homes, restaurants, and hotels. A compact tissue-making machine feeds large paper rolls, embossing custom textures, folding them into layers, and cutting clean packs at high speed. You can stick with standard white packs for commercial food service or offer custom-printed branding and ultra-soft luxury options. This setup gives you a steady, recession-proof home business supplying daily essentials to local diners, offices, and retail buyers. 7. Commercial scrubber making machine. Kitchen scrubbers and industrial scouring pads wear out fast, keeping consumer demand consistently high. A small-scale scrubber making machine transforms raw stainless steel wire or durable nylon into tightly coiled, long-lasting scrubbing pads. The machine runs quickly with minimal supervision, allowing you to produce hundreds of units an hour. You can package your scrubbers in individual multi-packs to supply local grocery stores, cleaning supply distributors, and commercial janitorial services with high-margin cleaning products. Don't miss out on the next breakthrough. 8. Non-woven eco bag machine. As cities continue banning single-use plastic bags, lightweight non-woven bags have taken over retail markets. An automated non-woven bag machine feeds fabric rolls, cutting and sealing reusable shopping bags with ultrasonic heat in seconds. Businesses need these eco-friendly bags printed with their logos for daily store packaging and trade show giveaways. Operating this machine from your workspace allows you to supply local retail shops, boutique stores, and supermarkets with custom, reusable packaging that customers use repeatedly. 9. Spice grinding and packaging machine. Freshly ground spices offer far superior flavor compared to mass-produced store brands sitting on shelves for months. A spice powder making machine efficiently grinds whole spices like turmeric, chili, and cumin, sealing them straight into clean pouches. You can craft custom spice blends, organic curry powders, or gourmet barbecue rubs right from home. Selling your signature spice packets at local farmers markets, specialty grocery stores, or online provides outstanding profit margins on tiny ingredient investments. 10. Aluminum foil container machine. Takeout dining and meal prep services rely heavily on disposable aluminum containers to keep food hot and fresh. An aluminum foil container machine uses precision dies to punch and shape raw foil sheets into sturdy trays, bowls, and takeout boxes. Food trucks, catering companies, and cloud kitchens purchase these containers in massive quantities every month. By producing popular packaging sizes right from your home garage, you can secure steady, recurring bulk orders from busy local food establishments. 11. Automated ballpoint pen machine. Pens are everyday writing tools used by millions of students, office workers, and institutions. An automated ballpoint pen assembly machine fits in cartridges, tips, don't miss out on the next breakthrough. Custom barrels at rapid speeds. You can manufacture plain, everyday pens or produce customized branded pens featuring local business logos, school names, and promotional slogans. Selling these inexpensive writing tools in bulk to stationery stores, corporate offices, and educational supply vendors creates a high-volume, dependable manufacturing income. 12. Sanitary napkin making machine. Access to affordable hygiene products is vital, making sanitary napkin manufacturing both impactful and highly profitable. This specialized machine layers high-absorbency cotton, leak-proof backings, and soft covers, sealing clean sanitary pads rapidly. By producing high-quality, cost-effective feminine hygiene products, you cater to a massive daily market. You can distribute your affordable pads to local pharmacies, rural healthcare initiatives, community centers, and schools, building a meaningful manufacturing operation right from home. 13. Biodegradable paper plate machine. Paper plates are party essentials for picnics, catering events, and street food vendors looking for quick cleanup. A paper plate forming machine uses heat and pressure to stamp pre-cut paper discs into rigid, leak-resistant disposable plates and bowls. You can boost your earnings by using eco-friendly sugarcane pulp or printing custom patterns and event branding before pressing. This setup allows you to handle both high-volume plain orders for food service and high-margin custom orders for special events. Don't miss out on the next breakthrough. 14. Automatic instant noodle machine. Noodles are one of the most popular, fast-cooking comfort foods in the world. An automatic noodle-making machine mixes flour dough, rolls it thin, cuts smooth strands, and prepares them for drying and packaging. You can differentiate your brand by crafting organic whole wheat noodles, colorful vegetable-infused varieties, or signature seasoning packs. Supplying your packaged noodles to local grocery shops, Asian markets, or food trucks offers a fun, high-demand food manufacturing business you can run setup from home. 15. Automated incense stick machine. Incense sticks are widely used for spiritual practices, aromatherapy, and home fragrance, generating steady year-round sales. An incense stick machine coats wooden splints with fragrant paste, rolling smooth, uniform sticks at impressive speeds. Once dry, you can dip them into high-grade essential oils like sandalwood, lavender, or jasmine. Packaging these aromatic sticks into attractive boxes allows you to supply spiritual shops, spa centers, gift boutiques, and online buyers with premium, high-margin fragrance products. Which of these home factory machines would you launch first? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more practical business breakdowns and check out our website link in the description to get started.